I bought this table from State Sale a while back. The table was already painted, so I want to give it a makeover. The table has a half moon shape with a beautiful design at the bottom. So the first thing I wanted to do is to mix TSP heavy duty cleaner with some water and clean it till I have the right surface to paint. Polished bronze will be my first coat for the bottom part of this table. I wanted to mix the metallic color with the beige paint color. So first of all, I'm going to give it one coat, let it dry, and it dries very fast. Then I'm going to paint it again. For the top, because I flipped the table, I had to clean it again. And now I'm going to paint the top with POP the Bubbly by Country Chic Paint. It is a chalk paint. Same thing with the paint. I'm gonna let it dry for a few hours, then give it another coat to have a smooth, nice, thick finish. For the top, I'm gonna use the transfer EXOTICA. It is a small transfer by redeisgn with Prima, and it comes like 2 different flowers. Peel the paper, stick it on the table, and rub it. Then you're going to have a nice beautiful design that can use this transfer on a lot of different surfaces like fabric, metal, glass, wood, and of course furniture. For the bottom part, I'm going to add meteor showers. Wax, dry very fast, and just use the wax brush to add a little bit on the edges of the table. The details of the table. This is only my first wax, Corona Copper. Corona Copper is a really bright, beautiful copper color. I'm gonna add it on top of my first wax color. Before I start doing anything, I have to protect the top. So I'm gonna protect the top with water-based polyacrylic. Polyacrylic is perfect for me. I usually use paint sprayer to do my top coats to get that fine, nice, beautiful finish. But because the table is small, I had to use a sponge. The adhesive pen is a new thing to me. I wanted to try it and see how this will work. I was getting a little bit of copper vibe from this table. I wanted to have a little bit copper on top, bottom, here and there. This is what I was getting. I was expecting the pen will have like a fine, nice tip. But the problem is it comes with a round thick tip. So I didn't really like that. I could have used a small brush and get the design that I want. And the thing is, the pen, if you press on it hard, the glue or the adhesive will come out. And if you press on it hard while you're doing your lines, you're gonna remove the glue or the adhesive from the middle part, as you see in the video, left side. So you're gonna create like 2 lines, not 1 line, and I didn't like that. I had to fix a lot of it too. To fix that, I just had to use my base color, which is POP the Bubbly, and a brush to fix those lines. I wanted to have a little bit fine, sharp, nice lines, and some of the glue was coming out and covered some of the flowers or the leaves, so I wanted to fix that. It was cool to work on that because you really can fix anything with paint. I like the pen. Maybe I used it wrong. Let me know in the comments if you used it before. I definitely recommend the brush. But you know what? I think I'm going to use it again on a different project. I want to see how this will work with me on a different project. Maybe it needs to be used more than 1 time, you know, when something is new. The tip's still dry or didn't get enough adhesive. So I'll give it a try later. Let me know in the comments if you used it. And this is the final results. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.